people. So we are near this place in Amirpet, and there is this whole litter of puppies. You know, we have like 7 puppies here. And no, last time around when we made that video, we had so many people coming forward to adopt the puppies. So that's what it's the mother dog with the puppies. But it's just been 2 days since I've seen these puppies, and I've already seen how thin they've gone. Yeah, it's I don't know how they. I don't think they will survive now without. I'll have to get them more biscuits or something. Take a look at them, yeah. They're just too adorable. So this is pretty weird making this video like this, but it's something that needs to be done. So all those people who were interested to adopt, this place is near Amirpet. If you all can contact me, I'll let you all know there are these 7 puppies here. So take a look at them. It's really adorable. So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.